Hello everyone, and welcome back to another exciting video of the Sublimation Focus. In today's video, we will take a deep dive into the best 3D printers for artists. The output of each 3D printer varies greatly, and finding the right one for your artistic needs can be a challenge. We all know that a quality printer can make or break an artist's career, which is why it's important to choose the right one. To help you, we've compiled our list of the best 3D printers for artists. Whether a beginner or an advanced user, these machines can accommodate your needs. This printer, especially for artists, should be able to produce fine, detailed prints that accurately reflect the artist's vision. For your convenience, we have also included the link to each 3D printer in the description box below so you can purchase them without the hassle. The best thing is that these provided links are updated daily to ensure you get the best deals in town. So without further ado, let's dive into our list. Number 1 is the official Fulson V400 3D printer. If you're an artist looking for a top-notch 3D printer, the Fulson V400 is the ultimate choice. With its cutting-edge features and exceptional performance, this printer is designed to revolutionize your creative process. Featuring 3 high-power 48W stepper motors and the pre-installed Clipper firmware pad, the Fulson V400 can achieve printing speeds of up to 400 mm per second and acceleration of 8,000 plus mm/s superscript 2. This means you can enjoy instant high-speed printing without compromising on precision. It's 400% faster than the industry standard, saving over 70% printing time. With a large printing volume of 5300 mm, diameter, x 410 mm, height, the Fulson V400 offers ample space for artistic creations. Its high-speed integrated dual-axis linear guide ensures superior printing accuracy, stability, and reduced noise. The 7-inch FLSUN speeder pad with Wi-Fi remote control and wide-angle IPS display adds convenience and ease to your printing experience. The all-metal direct drive extruder with a pushing force of 70 N and a lightweight design of only 135 G supports various filaments, including PLA, PLA+, wood, TPU, ABS, PETG, PC, and nylon, requiring drying. The 300 degrees Celsius high-temp bimetal nozzle allows for even more versatility in filament selection. So if you want to buy the fast and reliable 3D printer, check out the link in the description box. Number 2 is the Artistry Technology 3D printer. Regarding 3D printing for artists, the Artistry Technology X Plus 3D printer is a top choice. Its upgraded dual-gear extruders offer enhanced accuracy, improved heat dissipation, and reduced clogging, ensuring high-quality prints. With a maximum printing temperature of 250 degrees Celsius, it easily handles various materials like PLA, ABS, and TPU. Additionally, the high-temperature extruder supports nylon, PA12CF, and PC, expanding the possibilities for artists. This printer has a double Z-axis driver, ensuring stability and precise printing, especially for larger models. Its generous print size of 10.6 by 7.9 by 7.9 inches provides ample space for artistic creations. The filament detection function alerts users when the filament runs out during printing, preventing interruptions. With the latest Slicer software version 6.5.3, the Cheetah software offers a redesigned user interface for a smarter and more convenient operation. The improved slicing algorithm boosts print quality by 30% and speed by 20%. Compatible with all Cheetah printers, this software empowers artists to bring their visions to life. For artists seeking a reliable, versatile, and user-friendly 3D printer, the Artistry Technology X Plus 3D printer is a compelling choice, enabling endless creativity and artistic expression. If you are interested in the fantastic 3D printer, check out the link in the description box to buy it. Number 3 is FLASHFORGE 3D printer. Introducing the perfect companion for artists seeking to bring their imagination to life, the FlashForge 3D printer. Ranked as the number 3 choice, this printer is designed with artists in mind, offering a seamless and intuitive printing experience. Its user-friendly features ensure you can focus on unleashing your creativity rather than worrying about technicalities. This printer guarantees exceptional print results with 2 interchangeable nozzles tailored for different filament types. The 240°C nozzle ensures smooth printing with PLA filament, while a simple 3-step switch to the 265°C nozzle enables you to print with ABS, PC, and PETG materials effortlessly. Experience the convenience of cloud printing with the FlashForge 3D printer. Using the FlashCloud platform, you can store, share, and download 3D printable files, monitor print progress through the built-in camera, and even control multiple printers simultaneously. The printer also offers compatibility with Polar Cloud for efficient cloud-based printing. With its user-friendly features, reliability, and versatility, the FlashForge 3D printer is an exceptional choice for artists. Unleash your creativity today and watch your designs come to life in the most captivating way possible. If you want to purchase the 3D printer, check out the link in the description box below. Number 4 is the official Creality 3D printer. The ultimate tool for artists seeking to bring their creations to life in 3 dimensions is the Creality Ender 3v2 3D printer. This exceptional device has been meticulously crafted to meet the unique needs of artists, providing a seamless and immersive printing experience. Equipped with a self-developed silent motherboard, this printer offers stronger anti-interference capabilities, ensuring faster and more stable motion performance. Featuring a UL-certified branded power supply, safety, and efficiency are at the forefront. The concealed power supply design adds an element of sleekness and guarantees fast heating and prolonged printing sessions. The Ender 3v2 simplifies filament feed-in by adding a rotary knob on the extruder. Loading and feeding filament has never been easier, saving artists valuable time and effort. Coupled with a brand new operation UI system and a vibrant 4.3-inch smart color screen, the user experience is elevated to new heights. With the resume printing function, artists can pick up where they left off after unexpected power outages, eliminating waste and further streamlining the creative process. If you want to buy the 3D printer right now, check out the link in the description box to purchase it. Number 5 is Elegoo Neptune 3 Pro 3D printer. In today's fast-paced world, artists constantly push boundaries and explore new creative avenues. When bringing their ideas to life, the Elegoo Neptune 3 Pro FDM 3D printer is a top choice, ranking number 5 on the list of best 3D printers for artists. This cutting-edge printer offers a perfect balance of performance and convenience, ensuring artists can easily focus on their craft. With its market mainstream printing size of 225x225x280 mm superscript 3, the Neptune 3 Pro caters to the needs of most users. Equipped with an STM32 motherboard and driven by silent stepper motors, this printer guarantees quieter and more precise movements during printing, reducing noise levels to an impressive 47 to 48 dB. The standout feature of the Neptune 3 Pro is its dual-gear direct drive extruder. Crafted from SUS 303 high-quality stainless steel, it boasts a 3-to-1 reduction ratio, resulting in stronger extrusion force for smoother filament feeding. The Neptune 3 Pro includes a nozzle kit comprising a TC4 titanium alloy throat pipe, an aluminum alloy flat heat sink structure, and a brass nozzle to enhance printing quality. The widened aluminum heat sink and an efficient cooling fan improve heat dissipation, reducing the risk of nozzle clogging. So if you want the 3D printer right now, check out the link in the description box. That's all from us in today's video. Hope you enjoyed this overview of the best 3D printer for artists. If you like any of these best 3D printers, then check out the link provided in the description box below to purchase them right now. Thanks for watching! And please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our Sublimation Focus channel for more amazing upcoming videos.